Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Ariba Drawing Tutorials. Everybody watching me from every country, whether it's Bangladesh, Indonesia, Pakistan, Malaysia, thank you all for being on my video. So today I'm drawing a simple house scenery. So let's start using a 2HB pencil. You can use any pencil. Here first of all I'm drawing a house just like this, using a scale to draw it precisely and accurately. I'm drawing the door now. I hope you liked my drawing, and please do comment and give me if you have any suggestions. I will surely act upon it and give response to your comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you like my drawings. Don't forget to hit the like button also. So now I am drawing the backyard of the house just like this. These are beginners, simple, easy drawings, so anybody can draw, especially children drawing for school competitions or for beginners. These are very beginners friendly. So don't miss any of my videos. I upload all with voiceover tutorials so that my viewers may understand it more accurately. So I'm drawing some stones on the grass and have drawn a pool, and now I'm drawing two trees right upon the house and the backyard. Both the trees are coconut trees. I'm drawing them in such a manner, and our scenery is about to complete. So watch till end and don't miss any tip. So Allah Hafiz.